I keep seeing these viral football clips where the players look like ultra-realistic robots flying around the field with perfect movements. And you probably thought someone finally built real robot athletes. But no, it's just AI doing AI things. And the wild part is you can make the exact same clips. In this video, I'll show you the exact tool people are using and how it can turn a completely normal football player into anything you want: a metal robot, a cartoon creature, or a goat. No, not this one, a real animal goat. It runs around the pitch like it actually trained for the Champions League. The tool is called MAGO. The link is in the description. You upload your normal clip, pick a style, and MAGO transforms your player into something totally different in seconds. Here is how it works. You start by importing your video and choosing the AI model you want. Then you stylize the first frame using an image-to-image workflow. You can also use ControlNets, and this is where things get interesting. If you've tried other AI tools and got disappointed with the results, MAGO fixes that. It gives you way more control over how the AI understands your scene and transforms your video. Let's do it now. Once you sign up, you will see the main dashboard. Click Create Project and give it a name. Let's call it Test. Then upload your video. It can be something you filmed or something you downloaded. Trim the part you want because you only need a short clip for the transformation. You can drag the bar to control the exact duration. And yes, you can turn the same clip into multiple different styles. Now go to the settings section and select the MAGO engine or the model you want based on your goal. For this example, I'm choosing first frame 3.4, and just like that, the first step is done. Next step, we stylize the first frame. In the Basic tab, click Stylize Frame. Choose an image-to-image model like Nano Banana Pro, Seedream, or Quen. I'm starting with Nano Banana. You can add reference images if you want specific characters, objects, or themes. Then write your stylizer prompt. Something like turn this player into a robot or turn this player into a goat. Say whatever you want. Replace, transform, add, it all works. Choose how many images you want to generate and click Generate Image. MAGO automatically picks frame 0, but you can choose any frame if you prefer. After a few seconds, boom, the player becomes a robot. I tested Seedream too, and the result looked even better, so I picked that one. Now our first scene is ready. Next, we rebuild the whole video using this new character. Click Use This when you're happy with your stylized frame. MAGO will automatically create the video prompt. You can rewrite it and make it more specific if you want, but the default prompt is usually fine. There is also a negative prompt box for things you want to avoid. You can generate the video with the default settings, or if you want more control, open the ControlNets tab. Depth preserves the 3D logic of the scene. Pose focuses on character movement. For this example, I'm keeping depth. Adjust the strength if you need to, and enable face mesh if you want lip sync or accurate facial expressions. There are more advanced settings too, but we will leave those alone for now. I'm going to render a few test frames first to see how it looks. It takes a little time, but once it finishes, the transformation looks solid. So I rendered the full clip, and here is the result. The robot looks perfect, running around the field with real Ronaldo movements. To compare the clips, click this tab. It shows both versions on the same screen. You can also click the side-by-side tab. Hold Control and select the clip you want to play. When you watch both clips together, you will see the movements match the original video perfectly. Now let's try another example, something even more insane. We're going to turn a completely normal person into a real animal goat while keeping the exact same movements. And the best part is you can do it inside the same project without losing your previous robot clip. First, go back to the settings. Delete the old first frame style because we need a fresh one. Remove the old video prompt too. Now click Stylize Frame. Select the model you want. I'm using Seedream for this one. Then type your prompt. Something simple like turn the player's head into a goat's head. Make sure you pick the frame number. Let's go with the first frame again. Hit Generate Image, and a few seconds later, we get two results. This one looks cleaner, so we'll use it. Click Use. This in MAGO will auto-generate a new video prompt. You can rewrite it if you want, but for now, we'll leave it. Choose which part of the clip you want to render by adjusting the bar. Next, open the presets section. You'll see a bunch of MAGO presets for replacing a character, multiple characters, restyling the whole clip, or doing full AI edits. We'll stick with the first one, Animate V1, because it keeps the background untouched. You can tweak the advanced settings if you want more control. Choose your output size. Increase steps for sharper frames. Keep the pose and face strength as they are. For the masking prompt, leave it on character so we only replace one player. Increase CFG if you want the prompt to hit harder. And turn on dynamic reference if your scene changes or if the stylized frame isn't lining up perfectly. When everything looks good, hit Generate. Give it a little time. After a few minutes, here's the result. The same player movements, but now with a goat head. This looks solid. You can compare both clips by clicking here, and you'll see the style and the movement match almost exactly. MAGO just came out of closed beta, so now you can jump straight in and start transforming your videos